Hello, Harasit here. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues on your Uber app on iOS. So first what you want to do is go up to the App Store, go right here, find your Uber app, here I got. We get an Uber, and we need to check first if there is the update available. If the update is available, I think the always popping out here one is the open bar, and if you have the screen lock like me right there, that's mean you have the newest version and everything should be alright. But if it's not, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to do this. First way is just go to the settings, scroll all the way down, go to the apps, and here you need to find your Uber app. We got our Uber, and you need to set every setting on Fabric, like mine. Like here, Siri, here, search, here, live activities, here, and background app refresh. Language is optional. If you do this and still you get some issues with the app, the last thing you should do is just go here, take your Uber app, remove, and just back to App Store and reinstall the app. That should fix all issues with the app. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.